A very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, we are going to learn about words. That is worksheet 2. We have already learned about one syllable word, how to syllabicate the one syllable word. Okay, we have already learned it. Okay, so what did I tell you? If it's a one syllable word, we have to sound out through its individual sound. In today's session, we will be learning about two syllable or more than one syllable word. Okay, let us learn how to syllabicate these words and how to learn also the spelling of these words. Okay, so let's move on to it. That's why I've told you to be ready with your rough book. Okay, so let's move on to it. I wanted all of you to be ready with your rough book first, then we'll move on to the workbook. Okay, so let's move on to. So we are familiar with the letters. We know that there are 26 letters, and with this 26 letters, we can make many words. So these words, have we distinguished these words? There are one syllable word, two syllable words, three syllable, and it goes on like that. Many syllable words like that. So in the first session, in the previous session, we have learned how to learn the spellings of one syllable word. I told you that we have to sound out each individual sound. Okay, we have to sound out the words as we learn the spelling of these words. So it'll be easier for us to learn the spelling. Now in today's class, let's move on to two syllable words. Okay, or more. Okay, are you all ready? Yes? Yes? So we all are familiar with these words. Now let's move on to learn the spelling of few words, we have to learn a trick. Yes. So all of you please have a look at the screen. Here is a word for you. How do you pronounce the word? How do you pronounce the word?
River.
River. Okay.
River.
The word is pronounced as No, wait. Let us learn about this word first. Then we can write when I tell you. So it is a two-syllable word. How come you know what that it is a two-syllable word? How come you know what that it is a two-syllable word? Because, yes. Yes, by the number of vowels, we can identify that it is a two-syllable word. So how many vowels are there? Two vowels. So it is a two-syllable word. Okay, so it is a two-syllable word. So now we are going to syllabicate this word. Okay, so it'll be easier for us to learn the spelling. How is that? Re-wa. Is that clear? Re-wa. So if we learn the spelling like this, it'll be easier for us to learn. So re. So which words you have to write? R-I. We-E-R, river. Re-wa. So how many syllables are there? There are two syllables in this word according to the vowels. Okay, so there are two vowels in it. So we can divide this word into two syllables. Okay, so it has, when we syllabicate this word, it has two syllables. Okay, so re-wa. Okay, so we can give a rhythm to it. That will be more easier for us. Re-wa. So how many claps? Two. How many claps? Yes, according to the syllables, children, we can give a rhythm to it. Okay, so are you all ready? Re-wa. Okay, so it is a two-syllable word. So we have syllabicate these words. How is that we have syllabicate? Yes, it is re-wa. Is that clear? So this is how we learn the spelling. Re-wa. Okay? It is river. All of you please do write it once in your rough book. I don't want you to write it many a time. So when we learn it in this way, if you write once, that is okay for you. Okay, we learn the spelling quickly. So it is a two-syllable word. In the first session and in the previous session, we saw about the one-syllable word. One-syllable word, there is no other way. We have to sound out through its individual. Okay, write it. Keep on writing. You're finished. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, okay. She will write. She will write. She will write.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am. River right?
River finished?
Yes,
Now let's move
ma'am.
on to the next word.
Right? Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now let's move on to the next word. Yes. Have you all finished? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. River right.
Hospital. All of you, please do say the word. First, let us identify this word. What is this word? Is
Ma'am.
hospital.
Ma'am, I not right.
Why? What happened? River, you did not write? Please do write it fast. River, R-I-V-E-R. So we have to separate the words into syllables. Re, wa. So re means R-I, V-E-R means wa. So re, wa. Okay, syllabicate the words and you write it. So let's move on to the second word. So river is over. Now let's move on to the second word. Okay, now let's move on to the second word. That is, what is this word is? Hospital. 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 Okay, so how many vowels are there? You're going to tell me. I'm not going to tell you. How many vowels are there?
Five vowels.
Five vowels. Where are five vowels? O is a vowel. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. So how many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? Answer questions. There are five vowels.
Three.
Children, I know that there are five vowels. Okay, what you said is right. But in this word, how many vowels are there? Come on, tell me how many vowels are there? In this word, how many vowels are there?
Three vowels. Three vowels.
There are three vowels. So, how many syllables are there in this word? How we can syllabicate this word? How many syllables are there? According to the vowels, we can separate these words into syllables. So how many syllables are there? There are three syllables in this word. How we can separate, Sia? Tell. All of you please say it once more. Tell. Come on, all of you please. Tell. So how many syllables are there? So how many syllables are there? It is three syllables are there. So I am going to syllabicate this word. How was that I'm going to syllabicate? Horse. P. Tell. Okay, once more, Mama's going to write horse. H-O-S, horse. Yes. T-I. Tell. T-A-L, tell. So it is easier for me to learn the spelling. So hospital. Now all of you please do write a hospital. Horse. P. Tell. Hospital. So according to the syllables, we can, so as we syllabicate this word, each syllable has a sound. Okay. Horse. P. Tell. So hospital. Okay. Hospital. All of you please do write it. Please do write it. Horse. Each syllable has a sound. P. Tell. T-A-L. Now all of you please do write it. Let me see you all writing. Okay. Have all of you finished? Have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
that's how we
ma'am.
learn the spelling of the words. Now let's move on to the
Yes,
next.
ma'am. Only one time.
Yes, once is over.
Everything. Ma'am, write down.
Yes, yes. Now, what is this word?
Down.
What is this word is?
Village.
Village. Very good. Village.
Village.
So it has 3 syllables. How many syllables? Sorry. How many vowels are
Three.
there? 3 vowels are there. So
Three
it has
syllables are there.
okay, 3 syllables are there. Okay, village. Okay, village. Okay, it is a little bit difficult to pronounce the word. So we are going to village. Okay, all of you please do write it. Village. So the pronunciation as well as when we say these words is a little bit difficult. Village. Yes, all of you please do write it. Village. 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 Please do write all of you please do write at least your rough book. Village. Yes, all of you please. Have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you please do listen. Come on, Dhruva. Come on, say this word.
Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen. Okay.
Kitchen.
So when the word is pronounced as kitchen. Okay. So how many syllables are there in this word? Dhruva? 2. Yes, there are 2 syllables in this word. So according to the vowels, we can separate these words into 2 syllables. Okay? Very good, Dhruva. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So when we syllabicate this word, how do we write it? How do we write it? All of you please do listen. It is kitchen. But the pronunciation is a little bit differs. We don't give much stress on this letter T. We just say it kitchen, kitchen. But when we write this word, children, you can write it in this way so that you will learn the spelling. Kitchen. Okay, so write it all together. It is kitchen. 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 Okay, so when you write the word kitchen, don't forget to write the letter T. The T is not, much stress is not given to the word T. So it is kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, so when you syllabicate here, it is kitchen. Okay, so it is a 2-syllable word. So we can give 2 claps for it. Kitchen. Okay, so this is how we syllabicate it. That is how we learn the spelling too. Kitchen. So Kitchen. But when we pronounce the word, T is not stressed much. It is kitchen, kitchen. Okay, so all of you please do write the word. Very good, Dhruva. Now let's move on to the next word. I hope all of you are writing it. I wanted all of you to write it at least once in your rough book. Rehan and Aoife, please see that you write it. Now let's move on to the next word. Yes. Sarah. Come on, Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now identify this word. Yes, pronounce the word.
DAUGHTER.
Okay. How do we pronounce the word? It is daughter.
Daughter.
Daughter. Okay, mother and the daughter. Daughter. It is not doctor. That is different. Okay.
Daughter.
So it is daughter. Daughter. So how many syllables are there in this word? How many?
Three.
Three. How come? Three. You're saying?
A-U-E.
A-U-E. I told you when two vowels come together, it is considered as one. Didn't I tell you? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
when we learned about dough, when we learned about tree, when two vowels come together, only one is active. Okay, so here we can separate this word into two syllable as it has. I know it is three, but it is, I told you only one is active, the other one is sleeping. So it is a two syllable word. So how is that we are going to syllabicate these words as we learn the spelling syllabicated? See here, daughter, D-A-U-G-H, dog,
Daughter.
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 Okay, D-A-U. All of you please do write it in your rough book. Daughter. So it is D-A-U, dog.
D-A-U.
Daughter.
Daughter.
Daughter. D-A-U-G-H. It is dog.
Daughter.
It is daughter. Okay, so when you write it together, how do we write it? It is dog, D-A-U-G-H, daughter, T-R. Okay, daughter. All of you please do write it. Ter means T-E-R, ter, ter, daughter. All of you please do write it. Daughter,
Daughter.
daughter, daughter. Have all of you finished? Now let's move on to the next word. Okay, Adina P. Sunil, come on. Yes, identify this word. No, this word.
Bedroom.
Yes, bedroom. So how many syllables does this word has?
Two.
Two. Yes, very good. It has two syllables. Okay, bedroom. Okay, so we can separate these words into two syllables. It is bedroom. Okay, we can give a rhythm to it as we sound out each syllable. Bedroom. So this is how we syllabicate this word. How do we do it? Bed, room, R-O-O-M, room. Okay, so all of you please do write this. Bed, room, R-O-O-M, room. So all of you please do write it. Bed. As you write it, children, as you write it in your rough book, sound out each syllable, then you write bed, B-D, bed, room, R-O-O-M. Okay, so we learn the spelling automatically. Yes, do it. I hope all of you are writing. Agni T.S. is present. I did not see him. Agni T.S., are you present? Yes, Agni. Why is that you? Yes, Agni T.S. Now I saw him. All of you turn on your videos. Sruda Kirti is absent. Sruda? Sruda Kirti, I did not see her today. If you're present, please do. Are you present, Sruda Kirti? No? What about Karthik? Okay, Sruda Kirti. Yes, I saw you. Yes. Okay. I have not unmuted you all. Yes. Yes, okay, okay. Karthik? Yes, I saw you, Karthik. So all are present today? Yes? All 38. Yes. All the rest I have marked you present. Only very few. Yes, I did not see you. That's why. Yes, now I saw you. Now I saw you. Saw everyone. Okay. Yes. Do. Yes. All of you, please do write this word. Bedroom. Have all of you finished? If you have finished, put me a thumbs up. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. So, Evelyn. Evelyn, come on. Say this word. Evelyn.
Bedroom.
No, this word. Can't you see this word? Evelyn. Evelyn.
W-E.
D.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
W-E-D.
Mm.
E.
N-E-S-D-A-Y. Okay, it is. When we pronounce the word, children, D is not given much stress.
What?
Okay, so we pronounce the word as Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. But when we
Wednesday.
syllabicate these words, there are 3 syllables in this word. All of you please do listen, as there are 3 vowels in it. Okay, so we are going to syllabicate this word. How is that? Wed. All of you please do write accordingly. Wed.
Wednesday.
Ness. Day. But the pronunciation a little bit differs. D is not given much stress to it. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. But when we syllabicate and when we write the spelling of the word, don't forget to write the letter D. Wednesday. 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 All of you please do say the word Wednesday. All of you please do write it twice in your off book. Wed. Ness. N-E-S. Ness. Day. D-A-Y. Wednesday. So it is Wednesday. So when we pronounce it all together, the word has to be pronounced as Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. So it is a 3-syllable word. It is a 3-syllable word, children. So it is Wednesday. Okay. Similarly, you learn the spelling. Wednesday. So it is Wednesday. All of you please do write the word. So according to the syllables, children, it is very easier for us to learn the spelling. Okay. Separate the word into syllables. Okay, so it is when we syllabicate it, it is Wednesday. Wednesday. So altogether you write Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. I hope all of you are writing. Have all of you finished? Okay. So how many words did we learn in today's class? We have learned about, the first word we learned is all about a river. River. All of you please do say it. River. River. All of you open your mouth and say the word, children. The first word we learned. The second word we learned, it is hospital. 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 Third word is village. Fourth word is kitchen. Yes, I haven't told you to say the spelling of the word. I just told you to pronounce the word. Okay, so I wanted all of you to pronounce the word once more. The first word we learned in today's session is river. A river. The next word we learned is hospital. Hospital. Okay. The third word is village. Village. The fourth word we learned is all about kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. The fifth word is daughter. And the sixth word is bedroom. And the last word we learned is Wednesday. Okay. So once more, I wanted all of you to write all the words once more, to write once in your rough book again. Okay. So river, hospital, village, kitchen, daughter, bedroom, and Wednesday. So totally there are 6 words. Okay. So now let's move on to the exercise of it. I hope all of you have finished this. Now let's move on to today's exercise. In today's exercise, children, I wanted all of you to open your workbook. I hope you have completed the notebook. Please keep your rough book aside, and all of you please do take page number 5, exercise B. All of you please do take it. Here in this exercise, we have to rearrange the letters in a proper order. So we have to get a meaningful word. Okay. So I introduced all these words to you. That's the reason I introduced all these words to you. Okay. So let's move on to the words. Are you all ready? Okay. Anaya. Anaya, come on, Anaya. Come on. Can you rearrange these letters? The first word. Come on, unmute it, my dear. Yes, unmute it. Unmute it. Are you able to unmute it, Anaya? No? Okay, I'll come to you later. Yes, come on, tell me.
B-A-B-Y.
Yes, very good. It is B-A-B-Y. Baby. Okay, baby. Baby.
Baby.
Yes. Here in this word, children, what is the speciality of this word is it has 2 syllables. Okay. Sometimes Y is also considered as a vowel. A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y. Okay. In certain, here Y is also considered as a vowel. So it is a 2-syllable word. Have you understood? So baby, baby, baby. Okay. So all of you please do write it. Evelet, come on, Evelet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the second word for me. This word.
G-L-I-R.
Okay. When we rearrange the words, watch.
Girl.
Girl. Very good. What's the spelling of girl? G-I?
G-I-R-L.
Very good. G-I-R-L. Girl. Very good. All of you right. It is a 1-syllable word. It has only 1 vowel in it. Okay. So we have to sound out through its individual sound. That is girl. Okay. It is girl. It is a 2-syllable word. So baby. Baby. Okay. Now let's move on to the third word. Are you all ready, children? Now let's move on to the third word. Have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's move on to the third word here. Megdash. Can you do the third word for me, Megdash? Are you not okay? What happened? Okay, okay. I'll do this word quickly. A-N-T-U. When we rearrange the letters, what? Yes, come on. Say the word.
It's hot.
No, A-U-N-T.
A-U-N-T.
Aunt, very good. That is how. Okay, very good. It is aunt. A-U-N-T. It is aunt. Very good, Megdash. Okay, very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now let's move on to the next person. Sandria, come on, Sandria. Sandria. Sandria is there? Unmuted, Sandria. Sandria. Have you unmuted it? Now let's move on to the next word. Unmuted, Sandria. Yes. Come on, we'll move on to the next word. When we rearrange these letters, we'll get an animal. What is the name of the animal? Come on. Sandra, are you there? No? Okay then. Jewel Maria? Jewel, come on. Move on to the next word. It is? Jewel? Jewel? Yes, come on. Do this word.
Horse.
Yes, horse. What's the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay? Yes. So we have finished with 4 words here. Okay? And also we have learned about 6 words. Okay, how to syllabicate. When we learn the spelling, children, it is easier for us. When you syllabicate the word, it is easier for us to learn the spelling too. Okay, when it is more than 1 syllable. Okay, children, so have all of you learned how to learn the spelling of the words? When you learn the spelling in this way, it will be very easier for you to learn the spelling of the each and every word of it. Okay, so in this exercise which we have done, it is we have to rearrange the letters so that we get a meaningful word. Okay, so it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. I hope all of you have enjoyed today's session. Bye, children. The answer to my question, have all of you enjoyed the happy hour? Okay? Yes. Okay. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, then. Bye, children. Bye-bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.